Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a Glampire video. It's a glam vampire look that I decided to recreate from an amazing, talented artist. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to learn how I did this, just go ahead and keep on watching. I did do my eyebrows off camera, but I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Chocolate. To start off the eyeshadow, I will be using the Lurella On The Edge eyeshadow palette. With my Morphe M250 brush, I will be outlining the crease. And I'm going to go ahead and start in the inner corner of my eye. Once I have an outline, I'm just going to blend this in. Now with my Infallible Full Wear Concealer in shade Vanilla, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. To set my eyelids, I will be using the Marc Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the lighter tone. I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. I will be highlighting my inner corners with my Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlight Palette. I'm going to be using the shade Helix. I will be doing the inner corner, but I'm going to bring it all the way up to my brow bone. Since this look is going to be on the side of my face, I am going to be starting off with my foundation prior to doing the spiderweb. I am going to be using the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Ivory Beige. And I am going to be spraying my Coconut Setting Spray by Beauty Creations. So now that I have the foundation and the spray together, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation like I normally would. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Holy Grail concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in Vanilla. I'm going to blend this in. To set my foundation, I will be applying my Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Pressed Powder in Warm Natural. For bronzer, I'm going to be applying my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in Bronze. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of contour, and this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Light to Medium Contour Palette. For my highlight, I will be applying the same shade that I used for the inner corner of my eyes, which is the shade Helix. For today's look, I will be using the On The Glow Blush Moisturizing Stick by Pixi Beauty. This was sent to me as PR, so thank you so much for this package. The one I will be using today is the shade Juicy. I figured I showed you guys the packaging because I thought it was pretty unique. So in order for the product to come out, you have to twist it. I'm just going to apply a little bit and blend that in. Next, I will be doing a winged eyeliner, and for that I will be using my Queen Bee Cosmetics liquid liner. I'm going to go ahead and start the spiderweb from the inner corner of my eye, kind of right next to where that black cut crease starts, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. So now that I've got that line, I'm going to go ahead and start the spiderweb. Now that I have the outline of the web, I'm going to be connecting my winged liner to the tip of the web. For my Marc eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using that black and just blending in the winged liner. I'm also going to be blending this black on my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect that spiderweb. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue with the web. Once done with the spiderweb, I will be grabbing my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to be applying white glitter inside of the spiderweb. Today's lashes is part of a PR package that was sent to me from Shop Queen Bee Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using Cool Mom. For my waterline, I'm actually going to be using a lip pencil by MAC in shade Cherry. Now onto the lips, I'm going to be using my Clinique Skinny Stick in Slimming Black. With that same pencil, I'm going to be filling in the black on top. For my bottom lip, I will be using my MAC lipstick in Blazing Yule. And I'm going to go ahead and blend those two colors. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to stretch the lip out a little bit more. So last thing, I'm going to go ahead and apply some rhinestones to my lips to make it look like vampire teeth. I'm also going to be using a pair of contact lenses that I received as PR package from Just for Kira. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!